In this video, we're going to answer the question, why go digital? I know a lot of people who are still using a physical agenda or a calendar, or worse yet, no calendar at all. I know, right? It's crazy. I'm just kidding, live your truth. But if I may, here's why I think you should be using a digital system. Number one, wall calendars and lists don't follow you around, and even agenda books aren't with you all the time. Number two, it's much easier to reschedule something in a digital calendar than it is in an agenda or a wall calendar. Number three, it's much easier to visualize busy time versus free time. Number four, digital calendars have digital integration with your maps. Number five, they can be accessed by any of your devices connected to the internet from anywhere in the world. Number six, old calendars end up in the trash, old agendas get lost. Google Calendar entries last forever, and that can be invaluable for millions of reasons. I mean, the list goes on and on. One of my favorite things about digital calendars is if you go to the description and type in some of the details about the gig or job that you're working on, you know, people, places, and things, it becomes searchable info. It becomes searchable info! Okay, maybe I'm the only one who gets excited about that, but it's pretty cool. It can be as simple as including a specific hashtag for each client, and just like that, you can easily pull up a list of how many times you've worked with that specific client, when, and for how many hours. You can also do that to keep track of your hours on a specific project, how many times you've worked in a specific location, how many times you've worked with a specific subcontractor, or how many auditions you've gone on with a specific casting agent. There are so many possibilities. Making it a habit to pull out your calendar or to-do list every time you make plans will exponentially improve your stress levels, and you will always know what is going on in your life when planning weeks, months, or even years ahead. I mean, that's just good stuff. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to watch more in this series, check for links in the description.